Hey guys, what's up? As you can see, I'm getting ready to do another mailing. Right there, I'm working on it right now. It's easy, it's simple to do. Look, people, if you can put a flyer in an envelope and put a stamp on it and put an address label on the envelope and mail it, then you can do this business. You can make money. All you have to do is be consistent. This is simple, so simple, even a child can do it. Getting ready to do it, getting ready to go to town on it, getting ready to try to make some of this money. I'd love to have you on my team. All you have to do is click on my link below this video, pick a package you want to start at, and just sign up. And let's start making some money together. I'd love to have you on my team. All you got to do is be consistent. Mail out every week. Every week. Don't stop. Don't quit. Keep going. This is fun. I'm having a great time doing it. I do it on weekends a lot. It's relaxing. I just enjoy doing this. And I'd love to have you on my team. So go ahead, click my link, sign up, and start putting some flyers in some envelopes. Put a stamp on it, address label, and just mail them out every week. It's simple. It's not hard. It's not complicated. And it's fun. It's relaxing. I enjoy it. Love to have you on my team, guys. Come on now. Get on board. Let's do this thing. Let's succeed together. Talk to you later.